Hey there friends, Susan here. We have sketch number 34 to share today. We're going to be stamping with the Earthen Elegance DSP, and I'm going to use the softly sketched stamp set to coordinate with it. I'm using the gray granite color as our coordinating color. First, we're going to cut the DSP into these 3 panels, and we're going to use the large panel for this card. Then I cut the colored cardstock down to these 3 pieces here that we're going to use. The thin piece is going to become a paper ribbon, so I embossed it with the stripes and splatters embossing folder to give it a little bit of texture. Next, I stamped the butterfly image from Softly Sketched onto basic white with Memento, kind of a monochrome feel here. Then I also stamped sentiments from the stamp set on a die-cut square from Stylish Shapes Dies. Now here are all the parts and pieces for the project, and you can get the mini tutorials through a subscription email, and all the measurements and directions for cutting will be on the tutorial. Now let's get started and make our card. To start, we have to score, fold, and crease our card base. Then we're going to front our card with our panel of colored cardstock. So just use a liquid adhesive on the back and then square off your corners so that the sides and the edges all meet up nicely. Then we're going to add our DSP panel with liquid adhesive and just put it in the middle, frame it around the edge, and then we're going to add that paper ribbon right across the center of our card. So it's just going to be an embellishment. Next, you're going to mount your stamped image on your colored cardstock, and then you're going to apply that to the front of your card with liquid adhesive as well. I put mine a little off to the right, but you can place it wherever you'd like. Next, we're going to add our sentiment. I put it on dimensionals and popped it right on top and covered that smudge, my rock and roll of my image. So don't panic if you have a little smudge. You can get it covered up. Now I decided I wanted a little spot of color. So with my Stamp and Blend, I colored that butterfly and added just a little pop from our monochromatic card. So let me know what you think, guys. Do you like it monochromatic or with the pop of color? Leave me a comment. I'd love to hear what you think. Thanks for joining me today, guys. If you enjoyed the project and want to see more, subscribe here to the YouTube channel. You're also invited to subscribe to my weekly newsletter. You won't miss out on any of the projects I share. And I hope we'll be stamping again together real soon. Have a great day.